Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign a new manager on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, if you prefer to sign a new manager onto your team, go ahead and navigate to the contract option. Once you're inside the contract page, navigate to the right until you see the manager list. Once you enter this list, you can now purchase from the various different managers that are available. You will need to spend your gold points in order to get these managers. So choose whichever manager you prefer to buy and then press the sign button as indicated at the bottom right corner. After confirming your payment of your GP, the manager will now be available within your roster. Now from your homepage, navigate to the My Team option and you will see that you have multiple managers available and you can switch between them for your matches. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign a new manager on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.